Respected sir and all my dear mates, I am Satyash Chaudhary is here to say on the topic object and the hard work. The object of my life is to be a doctor because because I think that a doctor cure many diseases and help the country by at epidemic and during the wars and the flood. I love my country and I want to be a doctor. For this I am working hard. I am learning for 8 to 10 hours in a day, and I am learning some books, science books, and I am preparing for some Olympiads also. I am trying to cure some diseases, and I am also learning about to do how to do small surgeries. Thank you, sir, for giving me chance and to listen.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Harshita. Today I am going to speak on the topic my object and my hard work. I want to be a writer because a writer can express things in a proper way and state the real situation of the country. I love my country, so that I want to be a writer. For that, I was hardworking. That I reading a greatest novels, and along with that, I imagine articles, stories, and current issues. For that, I plan to how to achieve it.
English is not just a language, it is a global language that is being spoken around the world. Billions of people are learning this language.
Respected sir, ma'am, and dear classmates, I my yesterday. I got up at 5:30 a.m. After that, I splashed my face and I take one glass lukewarm water. After it, I brush my teeth and I took bath. After it, I wear clothes and I went to temple and I pray to God. After it, I took breakfast and I went to school and I study in my school. After it I came back home at 1:30 p.m. and I take nap. After it I went to Oxford and I speak English. After it I went to tuition and after it I came back home at 7 p.m. After it I went to work for some time and I came back home. After it I take dinner with my family and I study for 1 hour. Then I went to sleep. Thank you.